my goodness. What's up, YouTube? It's your man GQ, and I'm going to install the Attack Headlight from advanblack on my 2016 Roadglide. And we're going to see if this is the brightest headlight that you can get for your Harley Davidson Roadglide. Before we get to the install, hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything from the channel. Now let's get to it. So the first thing that we want to do is remove the fairing off the front of our bike. And we're going to start with our windshield. We're going to remove the 4 bolts. I'm going to do one side so you can see it's pretty much the same on both sides. So we remove the 4 bolts from here. We're going to have to remove the bolt from the turn signal mount. We're also going to have to remove, I'm used to doing this, y'all, so don't judge me. Remove this bolt right here. And we're going to have to remove this bolt here. This is hex bolt, and another bolt right there. So it's the same on both sides. Okay, so gonna do one side, and then you already know it's the same like it is on the other side. All right, so then here I'm gonna remove the turn signal bolt from off this side. And I should have got my longer one, but I'm gonna make it work for right now. Bing! Get up under there. Put my bolts. Remove interior bolt. And I could pop this all the way off, but I'm so used to doing it right now. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead. I got everything pretty much unscrewed. We're gonna take off the front cap, and then we're gonna work on taking our headlight loose. So the first thing we're gonna do is just go ahead and just pop this up, put this over into a nice safe spot, and be careful when removing the front fairing, because it's held on by your 2 turn signal clips. Turn signal connections. You want to make sure that you take it off so you don't ruin those connections. And these are the connections I'm talking about. You got 1 and you got 2. Boom. There we go. Got one over here and one over there. Alright, so we're gonna take out 1. So remove 1 and remove 2. I'm gonna go down to the bottom, 3, and then 4. Right there. 4 bolts off, and that's gonna allow us to take out our headlight. But all the thing we have to do left is unhook this piece, this harness, to our headlight. All right, now we want to take this piece here and the other one, obviously, line them up, and then use these washers or Allens to secure them down. Okay, you can see we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right, so I almost got confused for a second, but you need to take your wind deflectors from your original bike and place them, trying to see which way it is right here, place them on the outside, and then use these nuts and washers to screw them back together. You're gonna take the wire plug, the extension, and plug it into the back of the harness on the Attack Headlight. So we'll just do this side over here. You got the brown wire, and then plug it into this side like so. Alright, so this is what it looks like when you have it all the way back together before you put it in. Got my deflector on one side, deflector on the other side, my mounting bracket here, and my mounting bracket here. Alright, so we're gonna see if I got this hooked up right. Okay, so let's check it out. Okay, lights is working. Get the turn signal up. I gotta swap the wires on from the left to the right, and that's an easy fix. So do that. I'm gonna get back to it. What's up, people? Oh, hey. So I had to cut the video short. I was installing the headlight, and I was crossing over. I was putting the fairing and everything back together, and I don't know what I did, what I pulled, but I'm in so much pain. So I'm gonna just kill the rest of the install right there, and just show y'all what we have right here. What we got going on so far. So this install looks very, very, very mean, extremely mean, y'all. Extremely mean. See if I can turn this on while y'all can still see. Very bright, really bright. See the turn signal here and inside the light. And when it gets a little darker, I'll come inside and show you guys what it looks like in the dark of night. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is so freaking bright. Like, this is so bright. So as you can see, the advanblack Attack Headlight is a very aggressive looking headlight, and it's a wonderful upgrade for anybody with a Harley Davidson Roadglide. One of the best things about it is extremely bright, and that's without even having to turn on the high beams. And if you do turn on the high beams, it'll definitely light up any area in front of it, and it is a welcome addition, especially when you're riding late at night. And while we're here, check out this video with my upgraded windshield from Memphis Shades. It's an 8.5 inch dark smoke. Check out the reviews on it because it's a bad windshield as well to install on your bike. And if you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And this is your man, GQ, the leader of the Peace Army, telling you guys to be safe, be cool, and most importantly, be you, and peace out until we meet again.